Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore a significant milestone for maintenance and reliability professionals, the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional Exam, or the CMRP exam, a one-of-a-kind program accredited by the American National Standards Institute. We'll look at how the exam is structured, what it tests, and strategies for studying and acing it. This exam is offered through the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, also known as CMRP. It's the only certification program of its kind accredited by the American National Standards Institute, which follows the globally recognized International Organization for Standardization Standards for its accreditation purposes. Now, let's dive into what's on the exam and how it's structured. The CMRP exam tests your knowledge around the SMRP's 5 pillars: business and management, equipment reliability, manufacturing process reliability, organization and leadership, and work management. By covering these 5 pillars, you can master the important content around maintenance, reliability, and asset management, as well as related soft skills to advance in your careers. Like most standardized tests, it's crucial to not only study the content, but to understand the format, time requirements, and other test-taking expectations. The test has 110 multiple-choice questions and a time limit of 2.5 hours. Although many outside organizations offer practice tests, the CMRP provides 4 official practice tests that can be taken before the actual exam. Now let's talk about signing up and creating a study plan. Once you've made the decision to take the CMRP exam, you'll have to sign up and pay associated fees online. The computer-based exams are available at more than 5,500 Pearson VUE testing centers and military bases around the world, so find one near you and register for a specific testing date. Once you know when the actual exam will be conducted, you should create a study plan. Divide the pillars into sections based on the study time you have available, and set aside this dedicated time to review materials or take practice exams. Be sure to make your study goals reasonable, taking into account your current job and other life commitments. It's easy to get off track if you set unreachable goals. It's better to allocate shorter periods of time that you can actually devote to studying than unreasonable, lofty goals. Although CMRP does not endorse any third-party study materials or programs, be sure you determine the best resources you can access given the time and budget you have available. This may include finding books, online resources, practice exams, and study guides. You may want to talk with colleagues who have taken the exam or join online forums of other professionals preparing for the test. Sometimes working with others can provide the accountability and motivation to study more effectively. Remember that even though the CMRP exam covers a wide range of topics, some areas may carry more weight than others. At that same time, your personal education, training, and experience may have prepared you already in some areas more than others. Prioritize your study time based on the exam's content and your existing knowledge. Focus on key concepts that you may not have as much experience in. These may include maintenance strategies, failure modes and effects analysis, root cause analysis, reliability-centered maintenance, and key performance indicators. Now, let's consider your personal learning style. All educators know that everyone learns a little differently. Some individuals can pick up a great deal of information by reading and taking notes. Others work better with short pieces of information and facts studied through flashcards. Auditory learners need to listen to information to process and retain it, while kinetic learners may need to think about real-world scenarios instead of abstract facts. By understanding the way you learn most effectively, you can better tailor the resources you seek and structure the time you have before the test. Practicing with sample questions and exams is also crucial. Every standardized test has a different feel and cadence. Many practice questions and full-length exams exist so you can gauge your understanding and build your confidence. Note the wording of both questions and answers, and study the reasons that you got certain questions wrong. You can gain a better understanding of what the test is seeking through these practice exams and explanations. You'll also see your strengths and weaknesses and the level of detailed knowledge expected, which will help you refine the rest of your study time and revisit topics that require reinforcement. As your exam date approaches, start simulating exam conditions during your practice sessions. Set a timer and attempt practice exams under time constraints. This will help you manage your time effectively during the actual exam and reduce the chances of feeling overwhelmed. Remember to continue refining and reviewing material right up to your exam, but avoid trying to cram new information in the final days. Instead, reinforce what you've already learned to build confidence and retain information. When the big day arrives, remember to stay calm and confident. Get a good night's sleep, have a healthy breakfast, and arrive at the exam center with ample time to spare. Trust in your preparation and approach the exam with a positive mindset. Do your best on the exam and accept the results. If you do not achieve the 71% passing score, you're eligible to try again in 6 months. Take the opportunity to revisit your study plan and goals and determine if you want to make another attempt. If you do pass, congratulations. Remember that the certification is valid for 2 years, and during this period, you'll need to earn 50 points of continuing education to keep your CMRP designation. Preparing for the CMRP exam requires dedication, strategic planning, and consistent effort. By following the steps we've discussed, you can build a solid foundation of knowledge, enhance your problem-solving skills, and increase your chances of success. According to a CMRP CO certification survey, 4 out of 5 CMRP certified individuals would recommend the CMRP as a means to advance their careers. Remember that achieving CMRP certification is not only a validation of your expertise, but also a testament to your commitment to continuous improvement in the field of maintenance and reliability. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've covered the structure of the CMRP exam, the importance of a well-structured study plan, and how to best prepare for this significant step in your career. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools that can help you be more successful in your maintenance and reliability career, visit upkeep.com. Good luck with your CMRP exam preparation. And remember, your success is our priority.